Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel. The Honeywell EDA56 is a rugged handheld computer designed for use in demanding environments, such as warehouses, manufacturing facilities, and field service operations. It is part of Honeywell's range of enterprise mobile computing devices, which are built to withstand harsh conditions while providing reliable performance for various applications. Key features of the Honeywell EDA56: rugged design. Built to military standards, MIL, STD, 810G, for durability. Resistant to drops, shocks, vibrations, and extreme temperatures. IP67 rating for dust and water resistance. Display features a 4.7-inch HD touchscreen display with sunlight readability. Glove and wet touch support for usability in various conditions. Performance, powered by a high-performance processor for fast and efficient operation. Runs on Android or Windows operating systems, depending on the model. Connectivity supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and optional 4G LTE for seamless connectivity. GPS capabilities for location-based applications. Battery life, long-lasting battery with hot swappable options for continuous operation. Data capture, integrated barcode scanner, 1D, 2D for accurate and fast data capture. Optional RFID reader for advanced tracking and inventory management. Ergonomics, lightweight and ergonomic design for comfortable use during long shifts. Programmable buttons for quick access to frequently used functions. Security, advanced security features including secure boot, data encryption, and device management tools. Applications: the Honeywell EDA56 is suitable for a wide range of industries and use cases, including inventory management, asset tracking, field service operations, retail and point-of-sale (POS) systems, logistics and transportation. Accessories: Honeywell offers a variety of accessories for the EDA56, such as charging cradles, protective cases, additional batteries, vehicle mounts. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.